Have you ever wondered about the stories hidden behind the simple geometric shapes of Warli paintings? Immerse yourself in the world of Warli, a tribal art form that hails from the North Sahyadri range in Maharashtra. This mesmerizing art style traces its roots back to the 10th century AD, standing as a testament to the enduring beauty of tribal culture. Interestingly, Warli was traditionally the realm of women, specifically those from the Warli tribe known as Suvasines. Their canvas, the lanya chauk or the wedding square, each stroke, each shape, each depiction was more than just an art form. It was a celebration of life, a tribute to their tribe, a tale penned in the silent language of art. From its humble beginnings, Warli has evolved yet retained its core, the stories of a tribe, the rhythm of life, the harmony of nature, and the spirit of celebration. Let's delve deeper into the rich tapestry of Warli art, a visual storytelling form that has transcended centuries. Warli paintings, at their core, are reflections of the tribal people's daily routines and their profound connection with nature. They are silent storytellers, whispering tales of the everyday life of the Warli tribe, their oneness with the elements, and their profound reverence for the cyclical rhythm of nature. These artworks are a vibrant tapestry of life, portraying the Warli people's relationship with their surroundings, their deities, their myths, and their customs. They are a celebration of their traditions, their festivities, and their simple yet profound worldview. Every stroke, every shape, every line in a Warli painting is a symbolic narrative, a raw, unadulterated expression of the tribal ethos. The rudimentary wall paintings of the Warli tribe are a masterful play of basic geometric shapes: a circle, a triangle, and a square. The circle, derived from the sun and the moon, signifies continuity. The triangle, inspired by the mountains and trees, represents balance and harmony. The square, an earthly symbol, stands for a sacred enclosure or a piece of land. The heart of each Warli painting is the square known as the chauk or chaukat. It is the central motif around which the rest of the painting develops. The chauk comes in two forms, each with its own significance. The devchok, usually a depiction of a deity or a divine concept, is a testament to the spiritual beliefs of the Warli tribe. The lanya chauk, on the other hand, is a celebration of the joyous occasion of marriage, capturing the essence of the nuptial rituals in the Warli community. The beauty of Warli paintings lies in their simplicity and their ability to convey profound messages through minimalistic designs. They are not just about shapes and motifs, they are about life, about the rhythm of nature, about the spirit of the tribal community. Every Warli painting is a vibrant dance of life, captured on the canvas of traditions, echoing the timeless wisdom and the enduring spirit of the Warli tribe. Warli art is not just about shapes and motifs. It's a vibrant dance of life captured on the canvas of traditions. One of the most captivating aspects of Warli paintings is the depiction of the Tarpa dance. This vibrant festivity is a common sight within the Warli tribe, a celebration that brings the whole community together in a merry whirl. Picture this: village men and women entwining their hands, moving in rhythm to the music, their feet tracing circles around the tarpa player. The tarpa, a trumpet-like instrument, is passed from one player to another, each taking turns to dictate the rhythmic pulse of the dance. This dance, though simple in its form, holds profound significance. It is a recurring theme in Warli paintings, symbolizing unity and harmony within the community. Each painting is a testament to the communal spirit of the tribe, capturing moments of joy and celebration in their daily lives. It's a dance that encapsulates the essence of their existence, a rhythmic testament to their unity. The Tarpa dance in Warli art is a testament to the tribe's enduring spirit of community and celebration. Warli painting is not just an art, it's a technique passed down through generations, using tools and colors derived from nature. The artistry behind Warli paintings is as fascinating as the artwork itself. These masterpieces are crafted with an array of tools and materials, all derived from the bounty of nature. The technique is steeped in tradition and echoes the tribe's reverence for the natural world. Let's delve deeper into the process. The first step is the selection of a design. This design isn't traced but directly drawn onto the canvas, whether it's paper or cloth. This direct approach allows the artist to interact more intimately with the canvas, letting their creativity flow unbounded. Then comes the painting itself. The brushes used in Warli art are not the conventional ones you would find in an art store. Instead, bamboo sticks, cleverly modified, serve as the artist's tools. These unassuming tools, in the hands of a skilled Warli artist, breathe life into the canvas, transforming simple geometric shapes into vibrant depictions of tribal life. The colors used in Warli paintings are as natural as the landscapes they depict. Henna, a plant widely cultivated in India, lends its rich brown and orange hues. Indigo, a natural dye, brings a touch of cool blues. The earthy red is derived from bricks, and the dominant white is achieved using a thick rice paste. These colors, all borrowed from nature, come together on the canvas to create a harmonious, earthy palette that is quintessentially Warli. The technique of Warli painting is a celebration of simplicity and resourcefulness. It's a testament to the tribe's ability to create beauty with what nature provides, a reflection of their deep respect for the environment that sustains them. Warli painting, with its timeless techniques and natural materials, is a testament to the tribe's harmony with nature and their creative spirit. From the 10th century AD to the present day, Warli paintings have stood the test of time, narrating tales of a tribe and their bond with nature. These paintings, created by the tribal people of the North Sahyadri range in Maharashtra, were first appreciated in the early 1970s, although their roots stretch back much further. These art forms, traditionally crafted by women of the Warli tribe known as Suvasinis, depict the everyday life of the rural community, their relationship with nature, gods, and their rich customs and traditions. The central motif in these ritualistic paintings is the square, or chalk, often showcasing the vibrant Tarpa dance. The unique techniques and materials used to create Warli paintings are truly fascinating. The design is directly drawn without tracing, using cleverly modified bamboo sticks. The colors derived from nature breathe life into these paintings. So the next time you come across a Warli painting, remember, it's not just art, it's a story of a tribe, their traditions, and their timeless bond with nature.